In front of you this morning, traders, extremely aggressive long trade. This is what intelligent trader understands and knows. Big difference between very conservative, very powerful, and very aggressive trade. So let me show you what intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader knows. Number one, since March 23rd, institutions been spelling out your only option to buy the market. The biggest vertical recovery since 1987 started at bullish trend inception on institutional chart. If you are trading without institutional chart, if you are trading without understanding where billions of dollars are traded, you're trading against yourself. This is a chart intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader reviews every single morning prior to placing a trade. This is what Dow looked like during historical sell-off, when intelligent trader was prepared. 19,000 next. 19,000 critical institutional support. Black Friday. Critical support is reached. Intelligent trader is not shorting near this level. Intelligent trader understands this is a place to buy from. This is where institutions stepped in with vengeance, showing you clearly where reversal zone problem will be. And when pullback plays out, again and again and again, intelligent trader knows 25,000 is critical institutional support. This is where we've been stuck, with buyers stepping in from this level. This is Dow traders. Institutional chart, the chart you are using as your critical, crucial trend, powerful, institutional trends chart. And that's vertical recovery, because bullish rally since 1987. Why is the market so aggressive this morning? Because market extremely high. We're no longer at institutional support. This was a dream. This was spectacular. This was beautiful. This was magnificent. This is pain. Intelligent trader understands that this is a big difference. That's what separates strategic Alpha Fibonacci trader from the rest. Strategic Alpha Fibonacci trader rides institutional power, knowing where to expect pain, knowing where to expect crawl, understanding extremely well that Black Thursday, March 23rd, was a breeze, was spectacular opportunity to buy, not to short into institutional buy zone. Right now, it's a problem. Institutions continue adding to their longs. This morning, it's a crawl. There is nothing in common between what played out on Black Thursday, March 23rd. This was expected, stunning institutional support, breathtaking bottom. No panic, No negativity when Dow at 19,000 level. Problem is now. It's a crawl. We expected a pain. If price will give us powerful pullback, it will become a gift. And that's what separates brilliant, intelligent, strategic trader versus trigger-happy cowboy. Because brilliant, strategic, intelligent trader interested only in riding institutional train, not trading against institutions, not being driven by mass, by testosterone. That's not an option. You want to be successful, you are thinking as top 1% does. You are thinking as JP Morgan trader thinks. You are not a gambler. You are brilliant strategic trader who only interested in pain-free trading. And that's a world of difference between buying the bottom, buying institutional support versus very dangerous market. Intelligent trader demands powerful pullback. That's a critical part of your trading. And when powerful pullback will play out, institutions will step in again, as they've been doing since March 23rd. So if you're complaining about very challenging markets right now, be prepared for November, when you will see historical volatility again and again and again and again. Identical structure on S&P traders. Identical chart. Extreme times ahead. How you adjust to different market conditions will determine the rest. So let me remind you the spectacular reversal on S&P that played out on March 23rd as well. If I take S&P down memory lane into bearish correction 2014, 15, 16, Alpha Fibonacci support 1800 level is present. Correct? Price been stuck in this range for 2 years. So when price skyrockets and reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone at 2800 level 2 years later, there is no surprise, all precise. And when price collapses and price reaches Alpha Fibonacci decision point 2 again, where S&P skyrockets from, that's a crucial reminder. Price continue repeating identical patterns time and time again. 2300 level is also decision point 2 in 2019. So as S&P starts selling off in 2020, there is no surprise. Correct? All precise. All identified in advance. When it comes to reversal zone or when it comes to stunning bullish reversal. Which is what played out on S&P when S&P reached Alpha Fibonacci support. No surprise, it is all precise, all in advance, never after the fact. That's it. You decide what you want to trade. Is it S&P? Is it Dow? Is it Apple? Is it oil? Is it gold? Choice is yours. Turn off the news. Pay attention to price. Is the biggest lesson you can learn. through the current crisis. Because there is no good news, is there? News is horror. So how is it possible that we have the biggest recovery since 1987? Because news designed by market makers against the traders in favor of those who make the markets. Because if trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. No good news in this market. But the biggest vertical recovery since 1987 that started on Black Thursday, March 23rd, is a stunning reminder of the power of pure price and Alpha Fibonacci system. When intelligent trader knows, as we discussed well before we came to the trading room, only if we receive powerful pullback, market will become perfect. Here it comes finally. Scanner giving us bearish alerts. We need to demand the pullback. We need a meaningful one, not a junky one. And when price retraces to critical Alpha Fibonacci support, institutions will step in again, as they done time and time again since that famous March 23rd. So if you want to trade as institutional trader does, you must understand what institutions do. We discuss this every single morning. We address this in every Thursday class. You want to win Formula One? Do what Lewis Hamilton does. Stay focused and ride the power. Would you? Stop being driven by testosterone. Start being driven by power. Power lies in large time frames. Power lies where billions of dollars traded. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. You cannot trade without institutional trends and institutional power. So if you understand what institutions do, and if you understand that institutions continue buying every single pullback, and if you understand the danger of overextended institutional rally and the critical pain area, you remain unwavered. If you want to ride institutional train, you do what institutions do. Since March 23rd, institutions been only buying this market viciously. So give yourself a favor. Review your trading account. Take a look on number of your shorts versus longs. If you've been determined to short this market and you're struggling in this market, that means you are not operating your hedge fund. You are not trading as JP Morgan trader does. You are driven by testosterone, not by billions of dollars. Choice is yours. Which one do you want to be? Do you want to manage billions of dollars? Do you want to think as JP Morgan trader does? If the answer is not, good luck on that one. Your broker will adore you. Your account will not. So if you're ready to stop the pain and torture, if you're ready to separate spectacular markets from brutal ones, I look forward working with you. It is that simple. Because prior to the trading day, intelligent trader prepares very diligently, analyzing institutional chart, analyzing day trading chart, understanding this is a problem we're dealing with. Day trading resistance, no matter what chart you trade. And if I convert this chart to 1, that's where we've been stuck, traders, for the last 30 minutes. Expect a problem, mid-trend. Expect resistance, mid-trend. Price is stuck. Nothing in common if you bought the market on July 10th, where institutions stepped in with vengeance, when institution confirmed longs at the Asian Open yesterday morning versus now. It's a painful, painful crawl. And it doesn't matter if you trade 15-minute or 10 or any chart. That's a market traders. And that's a very painful bullish trade that we discussed with students. We expect it to be painful. 30 minutes of this bullish crawl. Pullbacks remain worthless because institutional orders are long, long, long. So asking traders if they traded prior to room open this morning. Competition is on to celebrate Fibonacci Trading Institute 10-year anniversary with spectacular performance by our students in US and globally. Scott, congratulations, huge profit taking this morning. 90% on WIMI in 1 hour, 114% TQQQ 90-day hold Tezos. XTZ 20%, 5 days Orchid. My goodness, Scott is a new legend. Scott, what is the week you are in the course? Is this week 5 or 6? Jason, second week, 27 points S&P, killing it. First mentoring session this week. Ken, 63 for 63. What is this? Can Bitcoin and options? Spectacular. As Scott reporting, this is only 6 week in the course. As Ken confirming SPY and Bitcoin, 63 for 63. Phenomenal, sensational work by Alpha Fibonacci traders who are trading with institutions and never, ever, ever against them. Did we know or did we know that only longs on Dow after so much pain? Buyers continue picking up this steam again and again and again. This will be a major problem next. And that's what strategic Alpha Fibonacci traders do every single morning. Identifying institutional trends, identifying institutional ranges, trading with institutions, and never, ever, ever against institutional bias. You decide what you want to trade. Is it stocks? Is it options? Is it Forex? Is it futures? Is it Dow? Is it S&P? Is it Bitcoin? Choice is yours. Every trader different account. Every trader different time frame. Every trader decides what trader wants to trade. If these traders can do it, so can you. All you have to do, make an effort. That's it. Nothing less, nothing more. With Alpha Fibonacci system. So if you are serious about trading and you're ready to trade with institutions and not against them, I look forward working with you. Simply choose from the best option available to you with the biggest discount offered ever. $2,000 off each package. But first, listen to our podcast channel and to Students' Journeys. As you could see, Ken is in the room this morning. So is Manu. More podcasts coming your way. Podcast channel constantly updated. 4 options available to you: lifetime license of software or any platform, 3 months live group classes, or 6 months private mentoring that includes group classes, live guided trading, and video library with modules. All the details on the product section. Any questions for me, please do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As Price reminding you clearly, we knew where the problem will be. All the details in class.